In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo using AI completely for free. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the website bing.com/create and then hit enter. Now this is the free tool that I like to use to create my logos, and what you need to do is just come down to this search box at the bottom and you need to begin by giving a set of instructions to this online tool. So what we're going to do here is just type in create a logo, and I'm just going to write for my gaming channel, and then maybe you want to include some text in the logo as well, so I'm just going to write include the text Top Gaming, which is what my channel is called. And then I'm going to write at the end because I want this at the end of the logo. And then once you're happy with your prompt, we can go ahead and click on create. So you can see now it's generated all of these potential logos for our business. Now really the quality of these images depends on the information that you're feeding the tool. So you just need to be as specific as possible within the prompt to achieve the kind of results that you're looking for. So for example, if I wanted to use neon colors in this logo, then I could type something like create a logo using neon colors. I then carry on with for my gaming channel, including the text Top Gaming at the end. And then what we can do is click on the create button again because we can regenerate these logos. And then you can see now it's changed the style completely by using all of these neon colors. Maybe you want something a little bit more simplistic, a little bit more minimalistic, so you can do that as well. So now I'm going to add the word simplistic at the beginning here. And maybe you also want a plain background as well. We could type something in like create a simplistic logo with a plain background using neon colors for my gaming channel, including the text Top Gaming at the end, and press create. And as you can see, it's already looking much better. I like the look of this top one here. So you can just basically keep adjusting this prompt until you find an image that you like the look of. Once you're happy with one of these images, we're just going to click on it like so. And then from here, you can click on customize. And this is essentially like Canva, where you can edit your image. You can change things like the colors and the images. You can also do stuff like remove the background over here by using these AI tools. If you click on this image tools button and then scroll all the way down, we also have some different color variations for our image as well. And you can essentially just play around with the options in here to get the exact logo that you're looking for. Once you're happy with your finished product, just simply click on download in the top navigation. You can decide whether you want to add a transparent background to your image by checking this box. Make sure PNG is selected and then press download. And now in order to download our image, you need to make sure you have a Microsoft account. It's completely free to sign up, so just go ahead and click on this button here. Sign in with your Microsoft account, and once you're signed in, you'll then be able to download this as a PNG like so. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create logos using AI. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.